Owning a boat isn't only about the hours you're out on the water. It's all the things before and after too. The tow to the ramp, the end-of-day pack-up, dockside stops, all-day sun. Every moment gets easier when your boat has the right setup. That's where our covers, biminis, and shades show up. When it comes to covering the boat for towing or storage, you've got two main approaches. Some prefer the over-tower mooring cover. It's clean, it's quick, it's one big wrap that covers the tower and the boat in a single shot. And if you're running a premium rigid bimini on a Z9 or Z100 tower, over-tower is kind of the move. You can drop the tower and throw the cover on without taking the bimini canvas off the frame. It makes the end-of-day pack-up way easier. Other owners prefer the under-tower mooring cover. It's a little more traditional, great when the boat lives indoors or when the tower stays up between uses. It's all about how you store your boat and how fast you want to be rolling out. Either way, your MasterCraft always comes standard with your pick of one of them, and each is tailored to the exact deck and lines of your boat for a secure, snug fit that stays tight even at 70 miles per hour. Then there's the extra protection, the stuff you throw on for storage, transport, or when the boat is moored dockside for a while. A platform cover keeps the area protected from the elements. Speaker and sound pod covers safeguard the audio gear from unnecessary exposure. It's small steps that pay off when you uncover everything and it looks exactly how you left it. Once you're out on the water, protection shifts to comfort. That's where MasterCraft's biminis come in. Quick to deploy, rigid when open, and built to provide ample shade. And when you want more, extended aft and bow shades stretch your coverage even further, giving the whole crew space to cool down and settle in during long days in the sun. From towing to storing to enjoying the lake, every one of these pieces is designed to work like a system, protecting the details that matter and making your time with the boat smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. It's all part of elevating every moment, not just the ones on the water.